Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how I make these Christmas cushions. I'll be using tartan wool fabric. These two pieces are 29 centimeters by 24 centimeters, two pieces. And one piece 29 centimeters by 29 centimeters. One piece. And this white fluffy fabric, which is 19 centimeters by 23 centimeters. I'm folding this fabric in half and I'm tracing a snowman shape on this fluffy fabric. And next I'm cutting this new pattern out. And this is how it looks. Next, I'm placing this snowman in the middle of this tartan fabric, which is 29 by 29 centimeters. Next, I'll cut from this green fabric a hat for my snowman. And this is how it looks. It will go there. I have prepared a face for my snowman already, and it looks like that. Also, I have prepared this scarf, which I have made from scrap fabric, and it will go there. I will glue all these pieces on with two hot glue guns using black glue sticks and clear glue sticks. Now I will glue on all these pieces. First I'm gluing the scarf at the back of this snowman there, on the edge there, on one side. Gluing the rest of the bottom half down, like that. Then gluing other side of the scarf on other edge there. Next I'm tying a scarf together, like that, and I'm gluing this scarf down so it doesn't move, like that. Next I'll glue this head on this tartan fabric, pressing pattern down so it sticks well. Next I'm using black hot glue gun and I will glue this hat on snowman's head there. Next, I'll glue on these two felt fabric eyes, which I have cut already, and I'm gluing them on there. Next, I'll sew on this button as a nose in the middle there. And this is how it looks. Next, I have cut out a smile from this felt fabric, and I'm gluing this smile there. So my snowman decor is finished, and it looks like that. Next, I'll prepare snow woman decor. So first, I will glue on this pattern on a tartan fabric. I'm applying hot glue at the back there, and I'm gluing this pattern down. I am pressing this pattern down so it sticks well, and I'm repeating same with head pattern. Pressing this pattern down so it sticks well. Next, I'll glue these eyes on and also this button there. Gluing these eyes on same way like I did on a snowman, like that. Next, I'll sew on this button there as a nose. Next, I'll sew on these red crystal beads there as a smile. I'm securing all those crystal beads with double stitch so they are nice and securely sewed on. And this is how it looks. Face is ready now. Next, I'll glue on this bow in the middle of the neck there. Next, I'll create a hair bow from this satin ribbon. I'm applying hot glue in the middle there, and I'm creating a bow. And I'm gluing this bow on the top of the head there. And next, I'll sew these crystal beads in the middle of this bow. And my snow women decor is finished. Next, I'll sew these two decors into cushions. First, I'll prepare these two tartan fabric pieces. I will overlock this edge and this edge, and I'll fold and I'll sew top stitch on both edges. First, I'm overlocking edges on one side and this is how it looks. Next, I'm folding this fabric like that, and I will sew a top stitch there, and the seam allowance is approximately 2 centimeters. Both edges are prepared, and this is how it looks. Next, I will sew these 2 pattern pieces. So this is the wrong side and this is the right side. On top of this pattern piece, I'm placing one pattern piece. Right side is facing down on a snowman like that, and other right side is facing down on a snowman on top there as well. I'm pinning all edges together like that. And I will overlock all these edges all around there, and I will sew seam all around too. First, I'm overlocking all edges around this cushion cover. I'm removing all pins before I overlock on top, all around. All edges are securely overlocked now. Next, I will sew these edges. I'll sew all these edges around so they are nice and secure. And my seam allowance is approximately 8 millimeters. I'm sewing all these edges around, and they are sewed now. So this cushion cover is finished, and I'll repeat same on this cushion cover. And here are my both cushion covers prepared. Next, I'm turning these cushion covers to the right side. Turning snowman cushion cover to the right side as well, sharpening all the corners so the cushion cover is nice and neat. And here are both cushion covers. Next, I will fill these cushion covers with a cushion. I'm evening out all of the edges so cushion is nice and neat. So the snowman cushion is filled. Next, I will fill the snow woman cushion same way. And my both Christmas cushions are finished. If you have any questions how I made these Christmas cushions, please comment down below in a comment box. I wish you all happy holidays. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.